Why are you nervous on the camera? There's no need to be nervous. We get gains.
We get gains.
It's all about the gains. So Mr. Dave is going to be my cameraman for the day. He's going to get some gains. Hopefully he doesn't mess the camera up, because last time when we was recording, he had the camera like this.
Really?
And it was jacked up, so I gotta make sure
that. Tell me I had to hold it like this. He told me I just picked it up and hold it like this.
The camera's supposed to be like this at all times. That's how it works. Alright, what's up guys? It's Josh Candy here with Candy Gainz, and today I got my boy Rashad here with me. And Rashad is actually a men's physique competitor. He's actually somebody that's been on stage competing and whatnot, and he's gonna take us through back workout today. So let's go ahead and introduce yourself, tell them about your page and whatnot.
This is Hicks 2 Fit. I just started my page about a couple months ago when I started doing my physique. So I'm gonna take us through a back workout and get these gains.
Eats my pie. Your girl, she eats my pie. Do a cartwheel. Do a cartwheel. Flip off and do a cart. What is it? All right, how you feel?
I'm just ready to get these gains.
Get these gains. You think I'm like stage ready with my gains? Cause I'm trying.
Yeah, you good money.
All right, y'all. So we're about to get into our warm-up exercise. So what you got to do for warm-up?
I've read 4 sets and max of wide grip pull-ups. So let's get to it.
Alright, y'all, so that was 4 sets that we did, max pull-ups, meaning that we just went as many reps as possible. That was our last set, so now I think we're about to go ahead and get into the first actual workout that we're doing for the day. So I will go ahead and let him start. So what workout are we doing first?
We want to do standing decline cable moves.
Alright, y'all, so that 4 sets of 12, what we did was we kept the reps at 12, but we progressively upped the weight. So we did 12, boom, 12, boom, up and up and up. So I got a nice pump. Like you said, you got a nice pump too. I'm kind of dying. But it's okay. We're going to make it through. Alright, we're going in.
We're going to do barbell rows.
Barbell rows? Alright. Barbell rows, buddy. Alright, so the key to doing barbell rows is you want to keep your elbows tucked. Because if you flare your elbows out, you're going to be hitting more your upper back. Or since we're trying to hit lats, keep your elbows tucked, squeeze in nice and tight. I like to tell people, think of it like you're trying to hold a newspaper in between your arms while you're rowing. And that's going to help you to keep that elbow tucked and really give you that contraction in your lats. Not your upper back. Alright, going first.
Lester.
All right, so we just finished up some heavy rows, and now we're about to do a 5x5 with some rack pulls, starting on 225. Real solid with my after we did the barbell rows. All right, y'all, so we finished up with the heavy weights and whatnot. Now I'm about to do a cool down. This is also, you can do something called a trigger session. I actually picked this up from the guys over at Mind Pump. Shout out to Mind Pump, you know. And what a trigger session does is individually, if you do this throughout your day in between workouts, it's going to give you more volume and more reps into your actual circuit training and whatnot. So you're hitting your muscle groups more frequently, and that's what's going to help you to grow. Also, it's good to do at the end of a workout, because at the end of the workout, when you're cooling down, you want to get that nice deep stretch on your muscles, so that way you're not, you know, worrying about anything being stiff when you leave out the gym. So all you need really is a band. I like to keep one in my desk at work, in my car, at the house. So throughout the day, I'm just doing trigger sessions.
Get my man Gainz on the stage to see what
That's
he
right.
do.
One day, y'all. One day.
Front pose.
All right, y'all, so this is the posing routine that I got down after we finished going through it. My boy hooked me up, so I'm gonna be stage ready, you know what I'm saying, having my posing down so I can serve. Gainz. All right, this is what it looks like. time, like time is standing still when I'm doing it.
Yeah.
So I'm trying so hard to still breathe when not breathing. It's just confusing.
Yeah.
All right, y'all, hit my boy up. Follow him on all his social media. He hooked me up with the posing today. You know, it's been a long time coming for us to get this workout in the gym today. I'm going to put the link to his Instagram and everything else in the bottom description. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe as always. So next time we're going to get even more gains in. So more stuff to come. My homeboy here.
All right, bro. Thank you.
All right, bro. Peace out.